Okay, got my feeders all done for spring. I think I need a few more flowers on this one here. Can't see very good, the lighting's not good out here. And then I got my flowers on that tree. And I got my bird feeder here. The garland I did not make. That one I got at Joann's. But that's my mealworm feeder. And the flowers up there, all made out of soda bottles. Might have to do this again in the morning when the light's not right in front of me, but anyway, now just gotta wait for the birds to come. All the tulips up there are little bird feeders. The crocuses are little bird feeders. And let's see, those little shells, those are little bird feeders. So, let's see what we get for pictures.